Hello, Wayne with Magic Rabbit Hat, and today's subject is color. No. Perfect. Today we're going to show you how to make color work just as hard as you do in your Microsoft Access and Excel applications using conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is a great way to have the data change colors, either fill/background or font colors based on conditions. It's in the name. So first we're going to do some really simple conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel, and then we're going to use that formatting to help us arrange the data just the way we'd like to see it. Then we'll get all conditional in a Microsoft Access database and use conditional formatting for both data in a report and in a form. So stick around while I show you how to make color work just as hard as you do in your Microsoft desktop applications.
In this instance, we'll use our conditional formatting to solve a sorting problem. In our data, you'll notice that several entries are from the state of Minnesota. And you'll also notice that no matter which column I pick, it's impossible for me to sort the Minnesota entries to the top of the list. This looks like a job for conditional formatting. So to accomplish this task, I'll select every entry in the state column, then move to the Home tab, and then to Conditional Formatting. Then down to New Rule. When the New Rule dialog box appears, I'll select Format only cells that contain. And then from the Details section here at the bottom, I'll change the entry from Cell Value to Specific Text and text containing MN for the state. When those cells meet that condition, I'll move to the Format button and then choose a format of a background or fill color of yellow. When I click OK and then click OK again, all the entries from Minnesota are now highlighted in yellow. So now I can apply the auto filters by moving to Data and then Filter. From the State or Province autofilter, I can now select the drop-down or combo button and then choose Sort by Color and then choose my conditional formatting color of yellow. Now all the Minnesota entries are sorted to the top. So that's one way to use conditional formatting to arrange your data in Microsoft Excel. Next up, Microsoft Access. So we have a form that lists most of the same employees from the spreadsheet that you just saw, but I'd like to highlight any entries where the salary is greater than $25,000. To accomplish this, I can also use conditional formatting. So I'll move to the top of the form, right-click, choose Design View. In the Design View, I'll move to the Salary field and then right-click that field. Near the bottom of the list, you'll see Conditional Formatting. Under the Salary Formatting rules, I'll choose New Rule and then check values in the current record or use an expression. Once again, I'm given some details here at the bottom, and I'll choose the field value is greater than 25,000. And if that's the case, change the background or fill color once again to yellow. I'll click OK, click OK again, and then change the form to Form View. So our first record does not fit the condition, but if I move to Other Records, salaries for $35,000 and higher are now highlighted in yellow. So as you can tell, I have a report with several salaries, and I can apply that same conditional logic to my report. To apply it, I'll move once again to the top of the report, right-click and choose Design View. In the salary field, here in the detail, I'll right-click and then near the bottom, choose Conditional Formatting. When the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager appears, I'll apply a new rule to the salary field, check values in the current record or use an expression, and once again change the fill value from between to greater than $25,000. I'll change that field to a yellow fill, click OK, click OK again, and when I place the report in Print Preview, it now appears with all salaries greater than $25,000 highlighted in yellow. So you can apply conditional formatting both to Excel files and to Access files to both notify you of data changes and to rearrange data in the case of Excel.
So those are just a couple of ways of using conditional formatting and color to manage your data in Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Access files. So try it out. And until the next video, I'm Wayne. Oh, and no horses were harmed in the filming of this video.